I knew the developers were insane before, but I never imagined they would be that serious until the last minute when the news was made. Our previous considerations on Shiba Inu will pale in comparison to what you are about to discover. So, what exactly am I referring about, and why is it so crucial? Allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. For a cryptocurrency of Shiba Inu's magnitude, the price dropped by more than 4% in the last day. This is a significant decline, yet it may not be unexpected for smaller, fresher enterprises. With a market valuation in the billions, Shiba Inu is a major player. What has transpired, nevertheless, is rather noteworthy and warrants notice, as this type of reduction is quite substantial. When Bitcoin demonstrates weakness, as it did recently, the price of Shiba Inu drops. As a whole, the market usually follows suit, and that is just the case right now. Curiously, any meme currency with a market valuation above $200 million is likewise losing money. While Bitcoin may recover from setbacks and return to its prior value reasonably fast, altcoins like Shiba Inu are headed for a particularly rough ride. Bitcoin has a better base due to its established status and widespread adoption. In contrast, alternative cryptocurrencies lack the stability and investor trust that mainstream cryptocurrencies possess, which makes it harder for them to recover in instances like these. Development team communication is crucial to a project's recovery. Their input is vital in reassuring the community and investors that the team is serious about fixing the problems and seeing the project through to completion. Once trust and stability are restored, this level of openness and participation may make all the difference. That is precisely what is occurring right now, and it is crucial for recovering from a massive setback. Message from Shiba Inu ecosystem head Shytoshi Kusama on project progress and future goals is shared by Lucy, a marketer for Shiba Inu. Lucy stressed in a previous piece that the Shiba Inu is now in the development phase. The moat has been built to protect the castle, she said, quoting a message from Shytoshi Kusama to the staff. What follows is a construction phase. This comparison highlights the need of putting in place robust security measures to safeguard the project prior to proceeding. Picture yourself launching a brand new company. Make sure the structure is safe, the foundation is strong, and you can manage future development before you open your doors to clients. If you don't lay this foundation, everything else you do is likely to fall apart. Shiba Inu is also intent on laying the groundwork for future success. Lucy claims that the Shiba Inu is only starting out on its developmental path, which she calls Stage 1, Step 1. Although there is still much work to be done, it is essential to lay the framework today so that the project may develop and remain stable in the future. Lucy made an interesting analogy between a train track and Shibarium, the second language blockchain developed by Shiba Inu. According to her, the group is now working on creating vital entry points for developers and users within Shibarium. As part of this endeavor, we are working to improve Shiba Inu's technological capabilities, establish cooperative relationships, and safeguard the ecosystem as a whole. Apart from that, Lucy dropped hints that influential people in the business are keeping a careful eye on Shiba Inu. Although she refrained from disclosing their names, this attention indicates a rising fascination in Shiba Inu, which may pave the way for future substantial collaborations. The difficulties of creating an all-encompassing ecology were not lost on Lucy, who stressed the need of devoting time and energy to the task. She is still optimistic that once all the stations are in place, Shiba Inu will soon have a new story, despite these obstacles. Many have been waiting a long time for this, and they are not disappointed. When it does, they will be overjoyed. The community is eagerly anticipating Shiba Inu's promise of a genuinely significant creation. Lucy stressed the importance of community people being involved and informed about the development process. To her, this participation is like giving birth to a new chapter in the dog-themed token's tale. All of these changes are essential if the Shiba Inu is to remain popular in the future. After the initial excitement wears off and the team is unable to provide continuous value, many initiatives that rose swiftly and gained prominence eventually fall. Like the Shiba Inu Development team, any project that wants to succeed in the long run must constantly innovate while also giving users real advantages. Casey Stubbs, creator of trading strategy guides, made an unexpected statement on Twitter at this point. Only recently did Stubbs paint a picture of a future where Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain developed by Shiba Inu, is widely used. In his depiction, hundreds of Shiba Inu and Bone token pairings were shown regularly exchanged on Shibarium, resulting in a 24-hour trading volume of billions of USD. Stubbs went so far as to say that Shiba Inu and Bone's market value may hit $1 trillion in this made-up scenario. His remarks followed a statement made by Specialk, the moderator of Shibarium, on the messaging platforms Discord and Telegram. It should be noted that at the present time, Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency with a market valuation over 1 trillion USD. While this mark may be difficult to reach, other cryptocurrencies may eventually reach or surpass it. Allow me to explain. Part of the explanation is that Bitcoin is unlike any other cryptocurrency, as it has an exchange-traded fund, ETF. Large investments into Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, since its introduction in January, have kept prices stable and, according to some, will keep pushing prices higher. But what really gets under one's skin is Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency by market size, which is getting close to $500 billion. There is a great deal of anticipation for the launch of Ethereum ETF trading, which is expected to occur in early July. The exchange-traded supply of Ethereum hit a new low today, the lowest level since 2016, suggesting possible shortage and driving up price pressure. Prior to the introduction of the spot Ethereum ETF, investors have shown confidence in the cryptocurrency's long-term growth with significant ETH withdrawals. There are those who think this might be the catalyst for Ethereum's price to skyrocket, which would put its market valuation at $1 trillion. One possible scenario for cryptocurrencies to reach such astronomical prices is this. In the future, additional altcoins might potentially hit the trillion-dollar barrier if the present development trajectory of cryptocurrencies remains unchanged. So what if Shiba Inu reached the same degree of prominence as trillion-dollar crypto assets in the future? Especially in light of Lucy's promise that the development crew is committed to guaranteeing future success. This indeed is a highly debated subject. But let's deal with the present problem confronting Shiba Inu, the 4% price drop that was noticed yesterday, before we worry too much about the future. The short-term impact on market mood and confidence is what makes this drop noteworthy. When the price of a cryptocurrency like Shiba Inu suddenly drops, it may cause investors and traders to lose faith in the market and even sell their coins. Maintaining pricing stability and assuring the community that the project can withstand market swings are of utmost importance. Investors and stakeholders must address and comprehend the causes underlying such price swings. It lays the groundwork for getting back on track and reestablishing faith in Shiba Inu's future possibilities. However, how do you feel about that? Feel free to leave a comment below. Your comment would be much appreciated. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.